Hi, my name is Seshan. I joined the Barry John Acting Studio in a certificate course, batch number 70, and here in Bombay. My course was for 3 months, and initially I was very apprehensive as to how would this be, how would acting be, what would I learn, what would I not learn, and we have a lot of predetermined things in our mind as to what acting is. But as soon as I came here, I was made to feel at ease by wonderful faculty with Ankur sir, Akash sir, and Siddhant sir. Uh, it is really well laid out, the entire course, right from the start. Like, as an outsider who's working in a corporate job, like I've been working in a corporate job for around 10 years now. For me, I've just been a consumer of acting. But to come in front of the camera and come in front of people and first open yourself right from top to bottom physically and then mentally, and then use that openness in your acting, in your performances, to be aware about what your body is doing, what each and every aspect around you is doing, to have that awareness as an actor, and at the same time to not lose the awareness of being in the character what you're playing. So those are some simple tools and tricks amongst the many tools and tricks which were taught by the faculty over here. Uh, got a wonderful opportunity to collaborate with my other class members who are in a varied age group, come from very different backgrounds, and for all of us to put our minds together and create these small mini projects, and then move on to singular projects, and then move on to on camera acting. All of that is very well laid out for someone who knows zero about acting to at least get the tools and tricks to work upon themselves and continue working upon themselves and to become a good actor, good dependable actor. After completion of this course, I plan to use all these techniques, tools which have been taught here to further my career in acting. I uh, I think it will be very helpful for me to start with theatre, because the tools what I've been taught here have wonderful carryover to the theatre field according to me, and also then gradually move on to on-camera acting. I'm very happy, and every time I come here, I feel that hey, I should again start right from the start, because it's such a joyful experience to start from zero and reach where I am today. So thank you, Barry John, and wish all who is involved with Barry John, either as an actor or as a student or as a teacher, wish them all the very best. Thank you so much.